Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Pat. Video, I'm going to turn myself into a melted face. So keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. That looks really, really white to me. Maybe I need to blend it more. Okay, I think I used too much setting powder. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to use the Mica Beauty Primer. Use code PAT for 20% off at micabeauty.ca and use code PAT for 30% off at micabeauty.com. Just going to use that, prime my face. Next I'm going to use some foundation and my damp beauty blender. I picked up the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, and I got that in shades C1 and C2 because I'm fairly light. So I'm going to go ahead and try that for the first time and see how that works out. We'll start with C1. And I'm going to just take the Beauty Blender and blend that in. That looks really, really white to me. Maybe I need to blend it more. Okay, so that was C1. I would say that's a little bit light. I imagine in the winter that'll be really good. I might use C2 next time, but next I'm going to set that with the Jeffree Star Magic Star Setting Powder. I got that in translucent, and this smells like cotton candy. So nice. And I'm just going to use one of these fluffy brushes, dip into that, and set the concealer. For translucent, that looks pretty white. Whew. Okay, I think I used too much setting powder. It's looking really, really white and super dusty. So I'm just gonna try to brush that off. The next step is contour, so I'm going to use the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist mini palette, and I'm going to use the shade Punch Me. And to add a little bit of color back to my cheeks, I'm going to use the color Pinkity Drinkity, which isn't even showing up at all. Okay. I'm going to use the shade Mary for blush. So swatch. Okay, so I've got some contour and some blush happening. Next, my favorite part is highlighter. I'm going to use Ring Light. I'm just going to do that on my nose. My nose looks so small I can barely breathe. Okay, so that was the foundation, concealer, highlighter, blush, contour. Next we're going to do... So next, let's do lips. So I got this Kylie Jenner Kylie Lip Kit in the mail from Sarah. Shout out to Sarah on Twitter. So I'm going to try that out. And this says, for the best results, fill in your lips with the liner and then top with one coat of the liquid lip liner. They've got the liquid lip and the liner. Okay, so that's the liner color. It's sort of like a nude. I guess the color is just called Kylie. Okay, so next I'll top that with the matte liquid lipstick. Ooh, so pretty. So that adds a little bit of a pink to it. It's like a pink nude on top of the brown. Ooh, so pretty. Thank you, Sarah, for sending me that. I really like it. Okay, so before the eyeshadow, I went ahead and I primed my eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Okay, and so now I'm going to start off by doing an orange and red look, and I'm going to start off with the color 518, which is a bright orange color, and I'm just going to start by putting that in the crease of my eyelid. Okay, and I'm going to just darken that up a little bit using the shade beside it called Rested. That looks pretty good, except for that I got it all over here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of primer and clean that up. Smear. Now taking a smaller brush, I'm going to use the same two colors on underneath. So starting out with 518. And then Rested. And I'm just going to bring that out a little bit and blend it in. Okay, so now for a little pop in the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the color B, which is a bright yellow. And then I'm just going to blend that up into the eyeshadow a little bit. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some metallic to this, and I'm going to use the color Halloween. You can see it here. And I'm just going to put that in the middle of the eye. Really pretty. Go ahead and do that on the other side as well. Okay, so I've got the metallics in the middle there, and the orange and the yellow, and I'm just going to go back in with the brush I was using with the orange and just blend it out a little bit more. On the other side as well. Okay, so I've got the eyeshadow done. I'm going to add some eyeliner. Okay, and I'm going to do some liner along the top as well. And I'm going to use a small angled brush for that and black eyeshadow, because I find it is easier. Or I'm hoping it works. Okay, and this is the color Spooky. Okay, so I've got the black liner on, and that's because I'm going to put on false lashes, and it's easier to hide your mistakes if you've got dark liner along your eyes. Okay, so I picked up these eyelashes from AliExpress, and they are big ones. So I'm going to put those on because I think they're appropriate for a casual Sunday makeup look. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how to put on false lashes with Jen Gerard, I'll put a link up here, so click on that and you can watch a full how to put on false lashes tutorial featuring Jen Gerard, because it's not as easy as it looks. So this glue goes on blue and dries white, so I'm just waiting for that to dry a little bit. While I'm doing that, I will fill in my brows. For filling my brows in, I'm going to use the color Punch Me. Nope, I'm going to use the color... Let's try T. Yeah, that's better. I've got another product to try here. It's the Stroke of Wow Volumizing The Time Is Now to Wow mascara. So I'll put a coat of that on because it helps to blend together the false lashes and your real ones. Wow, it's pretty good. My lashes are huge. They're so big they touched my eyelids. Okay, so now it's time to put on the lashes. So the best thing I can recommend is take your mirror and put it underneath your face, sort of, so you're looking down. And that will really help you get them lined up properly. Okay, one is on. That only took me 9 minutes. I'm just going to give them a few seconds to dry and we'll move on from this. Okay, so now I'm just going to use some setting spray. Woo. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt this. So you can see that here. I'm not sure if you can see that they change color, but I dropped them everywhere. So I just use a liquid transformer to turn those into a liquid, and I'm going to melt those down my face. So there's 8 different colors. I'm going to start off with a green, a purple, an orange, and gold, and mix those and drip those down my face. So I've got the liquid transformer, and I just put 1 drop on a dish. And I'll start off with this purple one here. It's sort of a purpley blue, but it's got a shift to it. You can see it on the lid as well. And now I'm going to just melt that down my face. So I'm going to start up here. I'm just going to press and let it drip down wherever it goes. And next I'm going to do more of a green. Okay, so next I'm going to use this sort of yellowy orange one. And the same process, I'm just going to mix up some of that with the liquid transformer and drip it down my face. We're gonna try another one. It's sort of like a pinky gold. Okay, so we've got the Multichrome eyeshadow there, making me look all melted, but we're not quite done yet. I'm going to melt my lips as well. Alright, so that was my melted face look. Big shout out to the people that sent me products to try from Twitter and Instagram. Make sure you follow me. The links are down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to wash your hands. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my melted face look and the Multichrome shadows, the Kylie lip kit, the eyelashes, etc. Thanks for watching. That looks really, really white to me. Maybe I need to blend it more. Hey, so I got, ooh. And for filling my brows, I'm going to use the cup. So I'm going to use the welcome to my YouTube channel. I've got another product here to try. It's by Butter London. It's the Stroke of Wow Volume.